More channel. Today we bring you a video of the Kral Arms Puncher Rambo pump-action air rifle so you can see it in more detail. Kral Arms manufactured this PCP pellet shotgun, and it is available in 4.5mm, 5.5mm, and 6.35mm calibers. This weapon uses lead ammunition and is capable of firing up to 24 joules of power. As for the muzzle velocity, the 4.5 caliber rifle fires at 305 meters per second. The 5.5 caliber rifle fires at 245 meters per second. The 6.35 caliber rifle fires at 200 meters per second. The Puncher Rambo pump action is 91.5 centimeters long and weighs 3.4 kilos. The weapon has a BB magazine with a capacity of December 14, 2010 rounds. Speaking of extras, this rifle features a manual safety, a rubber recoil pad, an adjustable trigger, and a tactical stock. If you like this weapon, you can purchase it at the best price directly from our website www.truglo.com, and we'll deliver it to your home. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you'll receive all the latest news on airsoft and compressed air guns immediately.